Okay class, we are going to have a science exam. Get out your pencils and start writing.
Mr. Crowley, may I please use the bathroom?
Tiffany, we are about to start the exam. You can wait until after the exam.
But I really need to pee so bad.
Fine. You can go. But please make it back in 3 minutes.
Thank you. I am going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Class, we better get out of here right now.
Everyone, there is no fire, so you all can go back to class. However, someone has pulled the fire alarm. I will look at the surveillance footage to find the culprit.
Well class, that was some shocking event that we had here.
Tiffany Campbell, please come to my office right now. Tiffany, I believe that you know why I called you over to my office.
I have no clue on what I did.
Stop lying. I looked at the surveillance footage and it shows that you were the one that pulled the fire alarm. Why did you pull the fire alarm? Tell me the truth right now.
Alright. Yes. I pulled the fire alarm. I did it because I didn't want to take the science exam. It was supposed to be a funny prank.
Well, that was no excuse. What you did was wrong. We take fire drills very seriously. And pulling the fire alarm is not funny. And not only that, but you have made the fire department waste their time by coming here due to a false alarm. That is it. You are suspended for the rest of the month. And I am calling your mother to pick you up. Hello, Mrs. Campbell. I am calling to inform you of what your daughter did. She has pulled the fire alarm and has wasted the fire department's time due to a false alarm, and she is suspended for the rest of the month. Can you please come and pick her up? Thanks. Bye.
Come on, Tiffany. Let's go home.
Tiffany. Are you serious? We cannot believe that you pulled the fire alarm just to get out of a science exam. You should know that pulling the fire alarm is a very serious crime.
Yeah. And you can get in serious trouble for pulling the fire alarm. You know that they take fire drills very seriously, and pulling the fire alarm is not a joke. That's it. You are grounded for 670 gigabooks forever.
Get up to your room right now.
Wow.